Class 10, Chapter 11, Trigonometry, Exercise 1, 7th problem. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my channel. And also NCERT Exercise 1, Question 7 also same method. First problem same there in NCERT. Second one somewhat different there. 7th problem. Given cot theta is equal 7 by 8, then evaluate first one 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Second one 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Now first here given cot theta is equal 7 by 8. Cot theta is equal 7 by 8. In a right angle triangle, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B, where angle theta will take. This longest side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse beside side is called adjacent side. Okay. Hypotenuse beside side is called adjacent side and leftover side is opposite side. Already I said. Now cot theta is equal to what? Adjacent side by opposite side to theta. Adjacent side is equal to what? Given 7 and opposite side is equal to 8. Here adjacent side to theta is 7, opposite side to theta is 8, where adjacent side is to opposite side. This by means ratio we can write in the form of ratio now. Adjacent side is to opposite side is equals to 7 by 8 means what? 7 is to 8 ratio. Therefore for angle theta, opposite side is equals to, here opposite side is equals to 8, means opposite side is BC, opposite side is BC, BC is equals to 8 K, where K is a real number. Okay, means 8 K, where adjacent side, this is adjacent side, this is opposite side. No, adjacent side is 7, means adjacent side is AB is equals to 7K. Adjacent side is AB is equals to 7K. Okay, here opposite side is 8K, opposite side is 8K and adjacent side is 7K, where K is a real number. Now by using Pythagoras theorem we'll prove the problem. In a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees according to Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we should find AC, where AB is equals to 7K, AC square is equals to AB is equals to 7K whole square plus BC is equals to 8K, BC is equal to 8K, means 8K whole square, where AC square as it is right now. AC square is equals to 49 K square plus 88 64 K square. AC square is equals to, add this 49 and 64, if you add means 60 plus 40, 100, 9 plus 4, 13, 113 K square. Now AC is equals to, this square you write RHS side means what happened? It becomes square root, 113 K square. Now AC square is equals to, AC is equals to root 113 into root K square, separating square root square get cancelled. Therefore AC is equals to root 113 into K. Okay, root 113 into K, AC value. AC is equals to root 113 into K. Now we know AC and AB and BC values, therefore we'll find sine and cos. Why? Because we need to find sine cos, then only we can prove this first one and second one. Therefore we'll find sine theta and cos theta, where sine theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, where opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC, BC by AC, where sine theta is equals to BC means 8K, BC is equal to 8K and hypotenuse root 113 into K, where here K get cancelled. Therefore sine theta is equals to 8 by root 113. Okay, this is a sine value. Next we will find cos value. Now cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side what? AB, hypotenuse what? AC. AB by AC, where AB is equals to 7K, where AC is equals to root 113 into K, means 7K by root 113 into K. This K get cancelled, is equals to 7 by 7 by root 113, where cos theta is equal to 7 by root 113. The first one we should prove this. This in the form of a plus b, a minus b, therefore a square minus b square form I'll write. Means a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, and this is also a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square form 1 square minus cos square theta. Okay, we'll put this sin theta values and cos theta values, we'll put and we'll substitute them. Okay, now 1 minus sin theta means sin theta is equal to 8 by root 113, 8 by root 113 by, where cos theta is equal to 7 by 1 root 3, 1 minus, in the place of cos we'll write 7 by root 113. Now we'll find LCM for these values and we'll prove. Here whole square, there no whole square right afterwards only we should prove. Okay, we'll write whole square. Okay, sin square theta means this is a sin value, square should write compulsory. Cos square theta, this 7 by root 3 is 7 by root 113 is a cos theta value, and whole square, this square compulsory should write. Okay, here 1 minus 8864, 64 by square root of 113, square root of 113 whole square, this square and square root get cancelled, by 1 minus 7749 by root 113 whole square. Here square root and square get cancelled. Here 1 minus 8864, 64 by square root of 113 whole square, square root of 113 whole square. Here square root square get cancelled, and 1 minus 7749, 49 by square root of 113 whole square, square root of 113 whole square. Here square root get cancelled, is equals to 1 minus the 64 as it is write down, 64 by 113, 64 by 113 by 1 minus 49 by 113. Okay, now we'll find LCM for these values and we'll find. Here I am writing by 1 and we'll find LCM. Here LCM denominator value is 113. Okay, denominator value is 113, means here what will multiply 113 times, here also 113 times, means 113 minus here 113 denominators are same, therefore numerator as it is write down, and in the same in this also, in this denominator part also LCM is 113, this LCM is 113. Here what should multiply 113, means here also 113 multiplying, therefore 113 minus here denominators are same 113, therefore numerator as it is write down 49 is equals to this 113 get cancelled, 113 minus 64 is equals to 49, and 113 minus 49 is equals to 64. 49 by 64 is the first answer, and we'll second one prove second one. Here second one 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Here 1 plus sin theta is equal to 8 by root 113, already we proved, 8 by root 113 by here cos theta is equals to 7 by root 113, 7 by root 113 as it is wrote down. Here 1 means what I'll write, means 1 by 1 I'll write, and in this LCM part is 113 root 113, here root 113. Here what we should multiply 1 into root 113, means numerator also should multiply by root 113, means root 113 plus here denominators are same, therefore numerator as it is write down, by the 7 by root 113 as it is write down. Here root 113 get cancelled. Here root 113 plus 8 by 7, or else you can write like this also, 8 plus root 113 by 7. Okay, this is a second answer. Here how like you are getting means here how like means here this part I'll explain once. 1 by 1 plus 8 by root 113. Here denominator we are taking root 113, means here what should multiply root 113 multiplying. Okay, again same value will multiply in the root numerator also, root 113, therefore that root 113 here will get. Okay, root 113 will write here, plus here denominators are same, therefore 8 will write. Okay.